nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, it's Shanae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this closure wig that I received from LUVME Hair Company. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you continue watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and leave a comment down below. So like always, I'm going to show you guys what I received in this package. So this is how it looked inside the box. I received this little letter from them. I also got a pouch full of goodies. So I got this headband, some earrings, some bobby pins, an edge control brush, a wig cap. This was also a little pamphlet, and of course the wig itself. So this was a body wave lace closure wig. I believe it was a 4x4 and it was 20 inches. But all the details of this wig will be listed down in my description box below, so make sure you check it out. This wig was 180 density. I'm going to show you guys exactly how the wig looks. So I got this band inside the wig. And then it also came with some combs, as you guys can see. And also it had the adjustable bands, so you can make the wig looser or tighter, however you want it to fit your head. So we're gonna get straight into this install. My hair was already braided previously, so as long as you have a flat foundation, that is great. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap, of course. Okay guys, so this is the wig. I already went ahead and bleached the knots, and I did pluck it a little bit. So this is how it's looking. I'm just pulling in the adjustable straps. I wanted it to fit my head perfectly. So at this point I wasn't sure if I was going to use any glue or not, so I was just trying to be safe before I put it on. And I'm just showing you guys exactly how to put it in. You're just sticking it through the loop, and that is it. So I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm just going to brush it in the inside part of the wig. So I'm brushing it all over the lace, and I'm in the inside, and I'm also gonna brush it a little bit on the outside part of the lace just to help it blend in with my skin. So I'm just using the comb at the back of the wig as a guide, and I'm gonna put it in the middle of the back of my head and just pull my wig up. So once my wig is on, I'm just going in with my wax stick at the top just to help flatten the wig. And I'm just putting it all over the top, and then I'm going in with this hot comb. It was super hot. So I'm just using this to lay my wig flat. You want your wig to be flat, guys. So I'm just using the hot comb and my wax stick to make this wig as flat as I can. So now I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just cutting off the lace. I'm cutting the lace off in a zigzag motion so that the lace can blend better and it doesn't just look like a straight line. So you always want to make sure that the lace, when you're cutting it off, it looks a bit jaggedy. So I'm just parting out a small piece at the front on both sides because I did decide I was going to do baby hair, and I also decided I was going to use some freeze spray on the lace as well. So I'm just parting it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the freeze spray, the got2b freeze spray, to the hairline. Then I went in with my Pariis Hair Melt Band just to help keep the wig in place while the got2b freeze spray was drying. So now I'm going to get straight into styling. I'm using my BioSilk and I'm just rubbing it all over my hair. And I'm going to be using a wand just to define the curls a bit because I found that the hair was already nice and bouncy. So I just decided to go in with the wand just to define the curls even more. So that's what I'll be doing now. Once I finish curling my hair, I'm going to take off the melt band and I'm going to focus now on the hairs that I left out that I'm going to be using for my baby hairs. So I'm using my wand and I'm just curling the hair so it's kind of going into the direction that I'm going to be doing my swoops. I'm also using my tweezers to tweeze out some of the hairs as well. And then I'm going to be using my scissors to cut the hair. And once that's done, I'll be going in with my got2b freeze spray and my edge control brush to do the baby hairs. So once my edges are done, I'm just going back in with my wax stick, and I'm using the wand just to kind of help it look more sleek. And that is basically it, guys. Like, this was so easy to do. The hair itself, the curls just went effortlessly because, as I said before, the hair was already kind of curled, so I kind of just defined it, and I loved it. This was honestly one of my favorite units to date. So as you guys can see, I'm obviously feeling myself. My hair is done, so you already know what time it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. Let me also know the different types of hairstyles you guys would like to see me do. Give this video a thumbs up if you reached so far, because I'm going to assume that you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well at nae.simone. All the hair details will be down in my description box below, so don't forget to check out LUVME Hair Company. Shout out to them for sending me this wig, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.